Now it's available at McCarthy Cars, Audi Q7, 62 plate 2012, metallic blue. Car has front daylights, it's got front parking sensors, car has side steps, it's got panoramic glass roof, privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensors, has reversing camera, 4-wheel drive, Quattro, 7-seater, it's got split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior, it's got side and front airbags, 7 headrests, ISOFIX. Four electric windows, got electric and folding mirrors, full electric seats, panoramic glass roof. Car has satellite navigation. It's got media, jukebox, telephone, Bluetooth connection. Audi multimedia, slot memory cards, SIM card, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, has automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.